What's going on, everyone? So in this video, I want to do a little bit of a trade recap. I want to kind of show you guys the setup that I took on Google this morning. So what we're looking at is Google's 1 hour time frame. Posted the P&L on the top right hand side, made close to $600 on this trade. Took two strike prices. I'm going to show you the reason why I took these two strike prices. So the first strike price that I took was the 118s and 117s. And the reason why I took these particular trades is when I do my homework, I start looking at the daily charts, right? So what I'm going to always do is look the night before, and I'm going to kind of look at the daily charts and see exactly where we're at. If we look at where Google's at here, it's kind of riding on this 50-day moving average here, closed above the linear regression, but again, a little bit of an inverse hammer. Now we had the gap down today and we gapped down below the 50-day moving average. So anytime that happens, anytime you get a gap down, I'm always going to go to the 1 hour time frame and I'm going to kind of look at the pre-market data, kind of see that gap down, see exactly where we opened up. Now, if we go to the 5-minute time frame so we can see exactly where the first 5-minute candle opened up at, and I just want to kind of draw a line here so we can see. So if this is 6:30 a.m. in the morning time, big red engulfing candle here, I'm just going to draw this line here so we can see it on the 1 hour time frame. Okay, so let's take a look at this price action. You can see here in the pre-market, we're trading down below this linear regression. Okay, so we're trading below the linear regression. We're getting into this bottom channel here. All I'm looking to do, we've got no supports down here all the way until we get to this bottom linear regression at around 116. Okay, so 116 is my max potential. That's what I'm looking for here. I'm going to always try to play strike prices that are close to the current the current stock price, right? So I'm going at the money or just one right outside the money. The first 5-minute candle immediately takes out the pre-market lows here, and that's when I jump short on those 118s. So if we kind of go to the 5-minute time frame here, okay, let's look at the 5-minute time frame. We get that breakdown below the pre-market levels here. I immediately am throwing my money into this play to the short side. What is my stop loss? My stop loss would be any close above the 5 or 10-day moving average. I've been teaching this a lot on YouTube, guys. Those of you guys who are in the Discord with Evolution Traders, you guys already know, but I'm going to use the 5 and 10-day moving averages as my trailing stop. So if price action does break above those levels, I'll go ahead and get out of the trade, consider it a loss. As long as we are staying below those levels, I'm going to go ahead and ride that into the next area of demand. So those 118s quickly are going to get sold out as soon as we come close to this level of demand. We never have to touch it, okay? We don't have to break it, but just so you kind of see the picture here, I want to be throwing my money, and let me pull out the drawing tool here so we can show you guys. I want to be throwing my money into this candle, and I want to be taking profits into the next area of demand. That area of demand is called a linear regression channel 50. I use Thinkorswim. You guys can look it up, and I'll show you right now just so any of you guys are out there who use Thinkorswim. So if I go to edit study, look at the linear regression CH50 close. Okay, so if we edit this, you can just see what it is, right? It's just a linear regression channel 50. It's just channel levels in here based on the time frame that you're looking at. So I'm selling into this linear regression here. And as we close below, as we start to close below this linear regression, I'm just looking for more continuation on the name. That's when I take the 117s and I take smaller size on that. And as soon as we get that confirmation, I'm throwing my money again into a power bar, throwing my money in here, and I'm taking on the way down. At this point, I'm already profitable on the initial breakdown here. Already have made money there. So all I'm looking to do here is just take a little bit more money cash flow. Again, where's my stop? A break and close over the 5 or 10-day moving average. This is your 5-day moving average. This is your 10-day moving average. We're going to keep our stop losses tight to the vest. We're going to play this accordingly. You can see here we do get an initial pop, gets faded back again, a little bit of a double bottom, and essentially traded sideways the rest of the day. There really wasn't nothing left price action wise on Google. So again, Some of you guys don't like to take the plays right off the bell, but if you get the setups below pre-market lows, right? We're below pre-market lows. We're trading below its daily 50-day moving average. We've got room down here. There's enough potential to make money on this potential short trade. Throw your money in here, okay? Throw those darts. Let's take some calculated risk here. Let's not be scared to take the position sizing. We got a clear stop loss here with a 5 or 10-day moving average to kind of protect our position sizing, and let's ride this into the next area of demand. So just kind of wanted to show you guys how I made just just shy, after commissions and everything, of $600 in a matter of less than 30 minutes. So you can see here at the 7 o'clock Pacific Standard Time candle is when we hit our low. There was a nice reversal here. Anyone who's in Evolution Discord knows how to play this reversal here on this reversal candlestick. You would get in on the green bar over red. You would bounce that back up into the 20 period moving average, which is here. So again, nice bounce on that. You got about $1 worth of bounce on that play. Again, that's for a little bit more experienced of a scalper. I wouldn't recommend, newer traders trying to hop in here, because again, it could do something like this, right, and break down. And a lot of times newer traders don't know how to manage this particular trade when it does go against you. But again, for some of the more experienced guys in my room, you guys know what you're doing already, and you guys have some success with it. Again, if you guys are looking to trade with me, I still got 2 open spots for Evolution Traders for this month of July. Get you guys started, get you guys learning the strategies, get you guys in a chat room talking with the other traders, get you guys learning the right mindset, get you guys the watch list, get you guys all the tools that you guys need to be successful. If you want to join, it's a one-time fee. Visit evolutiontraders.com, sign up, become a lifetime member. Also, Discord link down in the description box below, and I'll catch you guys on the next video.